So today I'm just going to show you a quick little meal that you can make. It's healthy, it's ketogenic friendly. And here, oh man, I'm using an all-clad stainless steel non-stick pan. This is a D5 pan with a convenient top, which we'll talk about later. The health benefits to olive oil are numerous. It can help improve your skin. It will improve your dating life. You can get salmon anywhere. Salmon is another heart-healthy food. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It may reduce the risk of heart disease. Come on! Always put your salmon flesh side down. This will create a nice sear. Once your fish is in the pan, set your timer to 6 minutes. Cover. The top helps cook the fish more evenly. It also reduces mess around your workspace. Now you have 6 minutes to do whatever you want. Always wash your vegetables for at least 20 minutes when you bring them home from the grocery store. Now it's time to turn the fish. Grab it, get some of that sizzle, cover it. Set the timer again. This song is set for 5 minutes and check it. 46, 147, 140. The salad we're going to make today is very simple. I like this baby spinach because it's pre-washed, and then the green peppers that we chopped earlier, mozzarella cheese. Spinach is good for lots of things. It has the beta carotene that helps improve your eyesight. It helps improve your hearing. I mean, you can just eat it right out of the box. What is that? That was a bad piece. Don't eat that piece. I think it had a bug on it or something. Okay, great. Now it's time to check our salmon. I always use a Taylor meat thermometer. Beautiful. When it's done, simply remove it from the pan. Put in your plate. By focusing on including healthy meals within your diet, you automatically exclude unhealthy items. These meals are easy to put together and they're inexpensive. You're worth having a quality meal every day. That's all I want to say.